This Tuesday, June 22nd at 1 p.m. Eastern Time, there is a significant webinar that I think you may want to attend. Why do I say that? Well, first of all, this is a joint event between IBM and AWS, and they have an interesting agenda, if I may say that. They have IBM execs talking. They have panelists with guys from IDC, guys from AWS, a customer CISO, and other IBM folks in there. And they asked me to give a demonstration on how you retain visibility of what's happening up there on the cloud and down here on-prem when you use QReader and the integration that it has with AWS. And I prepared a nice demo that I think you may like for that. Just for that alone, I think that this is an interesting webinar. But take a look at this. Client, this is not, business partners of other associates. This is just for customers. But clients receive a free 30-day trial of QReader in AWS. That's quite a bit of money if you want to run QReader up there and get a taste of it. And 3 assessment for 3 days for those qualified. And I believe that these qualified attendees have to be also customers as well. When I actually contacted the organizer and said, well, this sounds too good to be true. And they said, well, at least we will do it for the first 25 customers who register. So I don't know if they're going to do it for more than that, but at least those 25, it is worth. I will rush and register myself and try to get that. And I'm going to be putting a link to this registration page in the video description of this particular video. And please notice that you need to nominate, you as a client, as a customer, you need to nominate your company for the 3 assessments as well as the 30-day trials of the QReader on AWS. So don't forget to do this part, and you need to, of course, show up at the webinar after you have registered. So I look forward to see you this Tuesday, June 22nd at 1 p.m. and have some fun learning about the magnificent integration that exists between QReader and AWS for working well together in this world that we live in, which is hybrid, at least today.